how to find security and privacy settings on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find your store security and privacy settings. First, open your browser, click settings. Click settings and now scroll down until you find here general, and here we'll find security and privacy, and that's it. You can manage here anything you want. You can manage your store security settings and your privacy settings, and that's it. Just manage it and then click save and go back. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.